Let's look at this question. Find cosine s plus t given that cosine s is 1/3 with s in quadrant 1 and sine t is negative 1/2 with t in quadrant 4. First of all, we know cosine s is 1/3, so we got to figure out what is sine s. S is in quadrant 1, so both cosine and sine must be positive. Since cosine s is 1/3, here is the picture that's adjacent over hypotenuse. So the opposite side will be hypotenuse 3 squared minus 1 squared, which is 9 minus 1 gives us 8. Radical 8 is 2 over radical 2. So the opposite side is 2 over radical 2. Opposite side over hypotenuse is sine. So if we are given cosine is 1/3, then sine will be 2 times radical 2 over 3. Again, sine s is positive because s is in the quadrant 1. So we get from cosine s, we got sine s. Now, we are given sine t, we need cosine t. T is in the quadrant 4, so cosine is positive in quadrant 1 and 4. And then we know cosine should be positive. Since sine t is 1/2, here is negative. So let's consider sine t positive, which is 1/2. Then cosine t is the adjacent over hypotenuse. Opposite side is 1, hypotenuse is 2, so it's 2 squared minus 1 squared is radical 4 minus 1, which is radical 3. Then cosine t will be adjacent radical 3 over 2. Again, t was in quadrant 4, so t is positive. So cosine t is radical 3 over 2 positive. Now, we are ready to use the formula. Cosine s plus t is cosine, cosine, sine, sine. And here is plus. For cosine, we should take subtraction, minus. Now, cosine s, cosine t, we know cosine s is 1/3. Cosine t is radical 3 over 2. So we got the value here. Subtraction is from here. Sine s, we just found it. That's 2 radical 2 over 3 positive. And sine t is given negative 1/2. So we put negative 1/2 here. Now we have a negative negative, so it comes to be positive. And the denominator is 3 times 2. We put right here. The first one is radical 3, and then there are 2 negatives right here. We got positive, so 2 radical 2, and downstairs is 6. So the correct answer, we should mark this one. Okay? I'll see you next time.